Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Arifah Radia Adela and you can call me Dela. I am from Widya Gama Makam Samarinda University. In this video, I'm gonna share to all of you about the importance of being able to speak English. Do you know about North Korea? First, we must know what North Korea is like in terms of education. North Korea is one of the most closed countries in the world. But in recent years, North Korea has begun to open up to the world and allow foreign tourists to visit. Daily life in North Korea is not something that we can see easy, especially with its strange rules that make its citizens not free, so that many want to flee from their own country. And someone managed to escape and also catch while escape. But fortunately, in education world, after leader Kim Jong-un came to power, North Korea carried out reforms in the education sector and made English a compulsory subject. Although they have not learned much about the outside world. Universities in North Korea in general let students study English as their first foreign language. This country strengthened foreign language education. As we all know, English is an international language that is currently used by all people in the world. So, when we master English, of course we will be able to adapt and chat with anyone easily when we move from one country to another. So, it's really necessary for someone to get out of North Korea to speak English, because the ability to speak plays an important role in communication between people. We can imagine if someone speaks unclearly, less fluently, it will certainly make it difficult for the other person to observe and respond to the person's conversation. And there are several benefits of the ability to speak. There is facilitating communication between people, making it easier to provide various information, increasing self-confidence, and still much more. And we can learn academic speaking because academic speaking is designed for students whose English speaking skills need improvement. The objective of the course is to strengthen all aspects of speaking ability, especially in academic contexts. Students receive feedback on assignments in class and in individual meetings with the instructor. We ask teachers give practice tests to students to propose improving pronunciation, improving public speaking skills, and much more. Academic speaking skills training gives students structure for what they want to say, as well as rational and focus, all of which are extremely useful for effective communication in every walk of life. For us as teachers, it's also important to be able to ensure equal participation among our students by first observing and then working on techniques students can use. We can maximize their participation in seminars and help enable students not simply to join a discussion but also to lead a discussion. And the last, it is not difficult in North Korea to develop foreign language, especially English. Thank you for your attention. That's all from me and see you. Thank you.